Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to go over the Killer Instinct Votalx 430 Elite Crossbow. This is an excellent crossbow in my opinion, but today we're going to go over what comes in the box and some of the accessories included. All right, so to get things started, let's just tell you it comes with a crossbow scope. It comes with 4 390 grain 20-inch hyper bolts. Comes with one quiver and one rope cocker. Comes with a Killer Tech mechanical broadhead, and what I really like is it comes with a unloading field point or a discharge field point. We'll show you that in just a second. Okay, so opening it up. Look at that, folks. All right, we got information card. We have the 4 hyper Killer Instinct carbon arrows. Opening it up, we have the crossbow. Now it's important to note that this is a crossbow, not anything else. It's in there pretty good with the zip tie. We have a very cool Killer Instinct Killer Tech 100 grain broadhead. And to get the advertised velocities out of this, well, first of all, you might not, but to get them, you have to use basically the bolts at the correct weight and the broadhead or field points at the correct weight. Here we have the crossbow stock. We have your Killer Instinct discharge crossbow field point, a quiver. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4 place quiver. You have a stirrup, some accessories here, the scope, instruction manual, and these must be the limbs in here. Now, the advertised velocity on this is up to 430 feet per second, which is just crazy fast. I've actually been hunting primarily with one that is only about 320 feet per second, not 430. All right, so here we have the high quality limbs here. You got a split limb system. You got limb dampeners included. You got string dampeners included as well, already pre-installed. So it's nice and quiet. Really, really narrow axle to axle width on this. I wish I had a tape measure in here, but basically, I mean, the axle to axle on this has got to be just extremely narrow. Crazy, like, I mean, maybe, let's see, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know, maybe around 10 inches. I could be off there. But, and then you have the stock. I'm going to go ahead and slip this on here just for demonstration purposes. This isn't actually how it would sit, and I'd have to put the limb riders on first. So, but I'm just going to show you kind of what it looks like real quick, if I can. All right. So here's a crossbow. I'm not going to fully seat it, but this is generally how it's going to look and function. It's got a adjustable stock here on the rear, which I like. It has a safety, and it automatically goes to safe when it's cocked. Comes with a standard width Picatinny rail for mounting your optic on the top here. Curved blade on the trigger. Real, I think that those are aluminum rails. So really, really nice. Also has a large finger guard down here so you don't get your fingers in the string area. Now these are advertised as being, I think, 390 grains with a 100 grain field point. One thing to note is I don't think it comes with field points. Has the fletching moon knock already installed. A brass, what looks like a brass insert. Let's go ahead and get our scale out here. These are supposed to be, okay, these are carbon crossbow bolts. Yeah, so they're coming in right at 291.6. And then you put a 100 grain field point or broadhead on, and you'll get that 490-ish for those great velocities. All of this was sent to me for review. Let's go ahead and take a look at the scope. This is, oh, rings are pre-installed. I would check the torque on that. This is the Lumex Speed Ring 1.5 to 5 by 32 illuminated reticle. Okay, that is cool. So let's go ahead and open this up. You have main subtension or main crosshair is 20, then 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 yards subtensions. Nice clear glass actually on this. Looks like a 30 millimeter main tube made of aircraft grade aluminum, hard anodized finish. Has that speed ring on there. It's also variable power scope, so it goes up to 5 times magnification. I really do like it. Nice scope. Anyways, we'll get this assembled and we'll do some more videos on it.